Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text circular in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Then we resize the text box. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the shape format menu. Select the text effect drop down menu and choose transform. Now I am select the circle option. Then resize the text box. Then resize this button and make the text circular. Then move this. Now we can see we make the text circular in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.